Let's do a bedroom makeover. We are all prepped and we are ready to go. And I know you're probably wondering, why do I have this tape in the middle of the wall like that? I have them on both sides. What I'm gonna do is one side of the room is gonna be red and the other side is gonna be black. And then in the middle, I'm gonna try my best to do like an ombre effect. So hopefully it works out. This is what it's looking like so far. Still so much more to go. One half red, one half black. I poured red on one side, black on the other side. I took my mini roller and I rolled it like that to kind of give it that ombre effect naturally. And I use a paper plate because that's all I have. If you try this ombre effect, don't do like I did and put the tape down the middle. So just paint the two colors coming in, just leaving the thinnest bit of white in the middle to be blended. That way, when you do blend it, it is a smooth transition versus the harsh lines that I have. So Nathaniel wants a Pokemon themed room. I told him I would try my best. I'm going for this sort of a look. It's a little subtle because I don't know how to draw a full Pokemon. But I can manage to attempt the tail. This is my inspo for this Pokemon wall. So this is what Nathaniel is wanting me to draw. He's wanting me to put, I don't even know what this is. What is
It's
that?
an Arceus ring.
Okay.
God Pokemon.
Okay.
Of Pokemon.
Okay, so he wants that on one of the walls. Okay. That's easy enough, I think, to draw, so.
Yeah, it's really good.
No promises. this is what it's looking like so far, and we're gonna add the finishing touches and then clean the room up, put the room back together, and then show you the final product. This is the finished product. Are you hiding, Nathaniel? It looks so good. So good. So just to let you guys know, that was hand-drawn, free-handed, that as well. Stencil, hand-drawn. It looks so cool. So what I did with the stencils to get them that big, because you know they are tiny. As matter of fact, I still have the stencil right here. I had it rigged up so I can do that essentially. So what I do, because they're so small, I use my flashlight, I shine it on the wall, and then I do it like an outline of the shadow essentially. And that's what I did, the same thing with that. But it came out so amazing. I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself. How do you like it, Nathaniel?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. You love it?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Oh, you too? No, so we still straightening up, still trying to get stuff together. Those pieces are gonna go in Nathaniel's room because Nathaniel has like an Avengers theme room. Are you hiding under the bed? She's hiding under the bed. So much space under the bed now. They used to use this as a cave. Because it was against the wall, and then there's a door here you can go under. So we used to have Christmas lights under there, and so now we can't use it as a cave anymore. Okay, it looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed this bedroom makeover. I know Nathaniel sure like it. So we have like an hour left before his birthday party, and I'll show you, bits and pieces of his birthday at the very end. But this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoy. We love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And we'll see you soon. Bye.
No.
Bye. Say bye. No.
Bye.
You not gonna say bye?
No.
Oh, they're fighting.
Bye.
Don't leave.
No, don't leave.
She said don't leave.
Don't leave.
I guess you can't leave yet.